Hello everyone, welcome to University's Consultant. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the online application process for master's and bachelor's degree programs at the University of Messina. Please watch the full video carefully and follow each step exactly as shown on the screen. Now open the Google Chrome and write the University of Messina. Here you can find the official page of the University of Messina and English taught programs. So click on English Taught Program. Here you can find bachelor degree programs such as Business Management, Civil Engineering, Data Analysis, Heritage Innovation Engineering, Marine Biology and Blue Biotechnologies, Political Sciences, Transitional and European Legal Studies. There is also a single-cycle degree program, which is Medicine and Surgery, a 6-year course completely taught in English. Here is also mentioned the master's degree programs, such as Business Consulting and Management, Civil Engineering, and many others English-taught programs available. Here, you can also find the contact details of scientific coordinator and further contact related to the degree programs. Now click on any program here, you will find the details sheet about program. Here, you read about the program and requirements. Now, on the top of the page, here is Apply Now button. Click on it. Here you will find the application portal. Enter to the application portal, you will find Registration page. Here, you need to create a personal account using a valid email address. Make sure the email you use is active because all official communication from the university will be sent to this address. Then, choose your password according to the rule mentioned here. Then write your first name, same as mentioned in the passport, and your last name. Here, enter your passport number exactly as indicated in your passport, and then click on the Register button. Once you register, you will receive a registration confirmation mail, the email that you mentioned in the registration form. Then back to the official application page and start the application. Here you will find the application form. Keep in mind about the deadline of application submission. Here is mentioned the deadline. The deadline is 31st March. Starting the application, first you will find the information page. Here you will enter your passport expiry date. Next question is, do you need a visa? If yes, so tick on yes. Then enter your nationality. Where are you from? Enter your own country. Then enter country of residence means that where you are living. Next section is course choice. First, enter your desired program type. Which program do you want to apply? For example, apply for bachelor's program. Here you will find the 3-study area in bachelor's program. And if you apply for master's program, here you will find 2-study area for master's program. For example, if you click on Physical Sciences and Engineering, here you will find 6 master's program, such as Civil Engineering, Data Science, Geophysical Science, Mechanical Engineering, and Physics. And if you select Social Sciences and Humanities, here you will find the 4 master's program. Now we select any one program and proceed the application. In the intake section, you enter the second call 2026 visa. Then, save the application and proceed next. After Information page, you will enter the Personal Details page here. You will enter your personal details, your date of birth, then upload here your passport size photo in JPG format. Then enter your gender. City of birth. Mentioned here your main city where you birth. Then mentioned your country where you birth. Here, you will upload your valid passport in PDF format. In the Contact Details section, write your address, write your city name, enter your postcode, and enter your country name. Then mention your mobile number. First enter your country code, and then write your mobile number. Save the application and proceed to Next. The next section of the application is Language. Here, you will enter your English level. If you have a B2 level English language certificate, write here the awarding institute and upload the valid International English Certificate. Save the application and proceed to Next. After Language, the next section of application is Education and Experience. First of all, upload your CV here in PDF format. Then, enter the country where you get the high school diploma. And also, here mentioned the country where you get the degree. Keep in mind that your grade and marks must be more than 70%. The minimum requirement to get admission is 70%. Then, upload here your high school diploma or certificate in PDF format. And mentioned that the diploma is optional or provisional. Then, enter date of the award of your diploma and select the requirement document. Upload the document here. Upload here your high school certificate and upload transcript of high school. Mentioned here specific field of studies of your high school. Then, enter the percentage final grade of your high school, must be more than 70. Write here the name of your high school. Then, select the years of school education. If you have a university entry test document, so select Yes and upload the documents. After high school data, next enter the high education details. For the master's program required 3 years bachelor's degree, 4 or 5 years professional bachelor. Here enter the most recent degree and upload the degree certificate in PDF format. Mentioned here about the degree certificate is provisional or official. Then enter the date of issue of the documents. Write here the name of the institute from where you get the bachelor. Then mentioned the year of graduation. Then upload here the documents, first degree, and then upload the official transcript. Write here major subject of your degree. Then enter the field of your studies. Then enter your final degree grades or CGPA. Keep in mind that must be more than 70%. Then, if you have further qualification, so enter here, if not so click on No and Proceed Application. Now, here enter the details of your professional experience. If you have any professional work experience related to your field, so click Yes and enter all the details of your experience. Like first enter about your job. Duration. Enter the name of company or association where you work. Write about sector, country. Then enter the name and job title of supervisor. And upload the reference letter. If you have more than one job's experience, then enter the details. Then save the application and proceed the next. The next section of the application is Application Fee. Here you enter all your personal details, like your first name, surname, address, postcode, city, and country. Then click of Pay Now. Here you will enter the details of your card and click Pay Now. After payment, save the application and proceed next. In the last section of the application, before submitting the application, here asked a question, how did you find out about program? Then declarations. Read it carefully and tick on Yes in both declarations. Then save the application and click on Submit. After submitting the application, go back to the main page. Here you will find your application successfully submitted. You will also receive the confirmation mail that your application is received successfully. Thank you so much for watching the video.